The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
Good everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you've had a good start to your day. Hope you're going well and you're in good spirits and in good health. I'm feeling much better today, which is good. Still got a bit of a cold, but I seem to be digging my way out of the other side of it, which is very, very good to know. Touch wood. Guys, yesterday, and by the way, if you're new to the podcast, if you are a new listener, then a couple of things you got to know, right? Number one is you got to get across to the website. It's tradercobb.com. There you'll find where you can join up to a bi-weekly video newsletter. It's 2 videos. It's content that's not put anywhere else. It's just out to those free members, and you can get access to that twice a week. Keep you up to date with what's going on as well. So go and do that. The second thing is, should be across my socials, my Facebook, my Twitter, these sorts of things. And the reason why is because I put different content across different things, and most of my day is putting free content out. Most of my content is free. There is stuff behind the paywall, of course, and that is stuff that is there for people that want to be traders, specifically designed at helping traders that stick to my strategies that I teach in the courses. So that's just for the people that are new, and for anybody, by the way, who's not on that bi-weekly, get across. I mean, it's free. We don't spam you. There's no junk. We don't share your list. It's just free. So just get across and jump on it. But yesterday, I was working on a bunch of new content, creating some new courses, not paid, free courses, some new content to help people to enter into the space. We're focused big on bringing people who are traders and investors on the other side of the fence, bringing them into crypto. And my whole objective here is to try and be a credible voice and a source of information that people can trust, because I come from a background that is investment and trading, and bringing them into that space of crypto, bringing more people into that marketplace. So we're creating some new products, very, very basic stuff. Most of you guys will know what it's all about for the trading and investing already, but it's there to help people to come in. And it was really interesting yesterday, because when I start doing the content, I start looking at things, my brain starts to think in a different way. I start to become more creative. I go looking at different charts, looking at history, and it starts to, the thought process evolves into something very different and unique, not so much focused on what's happening right now in the market, but looking over different periods of time. Now, one of the things that really came to my attention was Amazon. Okay, Amazon, the company, the first $1 trillion company in the world. Where are we? 1 month chart I want to look at here. Now, we often hear the comparison of the internet and Bitcoin. You guys know that we talk about it often. But we also, what I touched on yesterday in the free members video to sign up for that. So for those that have signed up for that, will have got this. And for those who haven't, go and sign up. It's there for you. I was talking about Amazon. And if you recall, and you may not, you may be too young, but many of you won't be. You could have bought Amazon stock for $1.30. $1.30 back in 1997. Okay, it's now sitting just shy of $2,000, so 2,000 times return. Let's not forget that. Crypto-esque moves. Now, from $1.30 in 94 to the peak of 2000, well, the end of 1999, at a high of 113. So that's 113x, okay, in a couple of years. Then it went all the way back down to $5. Now, there was 2 types of conversations. One was back in the .com day saying, oh yeah, one day you'll be able to buy everything on the internet and it will all be good, da, 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 da. And then it shot up, but that was very much hyped. It was a very crypto type hype. It pushed the markets up. Then we saw it crash back down, which is kind of where we are now, maybe. I'm not sure. We haven't come out of that cycle yet. But at $5.80, Amazon in 2001 had more product and was doing more than what it was in 1997. And this is where crypto comes into it. You've got to consider this. Back in 1997, Amazon had just started, it just floated. It was part of .com mania. It hadn't really done a great deal. It had an idea like crypto. In 2001, it was doing business. It had been around for 4 or 5 years as a listed company, and it started to move. Now, the conversations back then were you can buy, eventually one day you'll be able to buy anything you want on the internet, and it will be delivered to your door. You won't have to go to the shops. Now, there were 2 types of people. People that were saying, you're crazy, you're a fool, that will never happen. Everyone goes to the shops, nothing's going to change, it will be the same forever. And then there were the people that are now multi-millionaires that went, Yeah, I can understand how it might be a bit hard to get your head around, but I can see that this technology stuff, this internet, it's a darn thing. We're going to use it. It's going to become part of our lives. Now, Amazon is a company that does commerce built upon the internet. We know what blockchain is. In a few years' time, I don't think people will know they're using blockchain. We've got an opportunity now, I believe, to be buying the Amazons of the world at $5. Okay, I don't think we're back at 1997. I think we've seen the run up and the pullback. We might still see more of a run up, but we are seeing a pullback. I think we're at the point now where we have the opportunity. We have enough of these companies been around for long enough. There's enough information. There's also enough misinformation. You've got to consider to yourself, and this is what Reggie Morris touched on the day. You know, are you more comfortable? And I talk about it always in trading as well. Is the way you manage a trade? Are you more comfortable to get stopped at 1% or scale out and watch the thing run on to 50 to 1 and you only take half of that? Well, whatever's right or wrong, it's up to you. Right now, if you're not in crypto, if you're not getting the education that you need, are you going to be able to sit back and go, well, yeah, I saw, say, Ethereum at under $300 and I didn't buy it? This is the opportunity that we have now. Now, you know, you're not just going to be able to buy anything that's going to shoot up, I don't think. I think it's wise to invest correctly. But we've got a top 10 that's there for a reason. They've been there for a number of years. Start looking at these companies. Start assessing what they actually do. And start thinking to the future. Now, the beautiful thing about this is you've got two opportunities, as we know. Yeah, I'm an investor. I invest. Now, if I had invested back in November 1 of 2001 and we go to present day and buy at 583 and it's now at 1864, heavily overextended and looking very much likely to have a pullback. The run up, I could have sat back and just held and made money. But when we get these moves starting to go, you can hold and you can trade. I do both. You can do a lot better with trading because you can use leverage on many products and you can have stop losses in place, but you've got to know what you're doing. It's really important that you understand risk. It's the most important thing in trading. There's nothing else more important. I keep it very simple, very straightforward. Now, if you jump in and have a look at the stuff for free and see what I'm all about, fine, check it out. If you don't like it, don't do it. If you do, then get started. But my point today is, guys, I think we've got opportunities like Amazon right here on our doorstep right now. Don't be somebody who didn't take advantage when the opportunity was there. So are you going to be someone who says, no, that's crazy, Bitcoin will never be adopted all over the world? Or are you going to be somebody who's willing to take a chance, invest and trade, and possibly, because I don't have the future in my hands, change your life forever? Guys, I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast is hosted by Craig Cobb. All Trader Cobb courses, products, and tools can be found at tradercobb.com because experience matters.